this video, I'm going to show you how to apply custom CSS classes to your individual elements in Indition Forms. So if you're slightly more advanced and you don't want to use our advanced designer to do some designing, or our designer doesn't offer the advanced style you want to apply, you'll be able to add that style by applying a CSS class. From our dashboard here, I'll go to Manage Forms. I'm going to do this with an existing form design. So I'll go to my demo form and just click on that, and I'll access my advanced designs from the form builder interface here, and I'll click on the Advanced Designer tab up here. This is going to take us to our custom designs built for the form. Again, for each form you can create multiple designs and looks and feels. It's all the same form, just different looks. So I'm going to go to Custom Design 1 here. And now we're in the Advanced Designer. Where we write the custom CSS or write the classes to be applied is in the settings, in our form design settings. So click on the settings button at the top right, and you'll see the Custom CSS tab. Click on that. Here you can write custom CSS classes. So I can say custom class, and then you can type in whatever you want. Font type, any styling you want. I'm not going to go over CSS styling. But here you can see I have a custom class called black, which is just a simple color change. So it should make our text black if I apply that. So we hit Save Changes when you're done writing your custom CSS. Hit Close. Now when you want to apply the CSS, click on the element. So here I chose the first name title. You can go down here and see your CSS classes, and you can choose black. So you can see here in our rendering of the design that first name is already black. So that is something you can already do. You can click on last name and choose the font color, but I just wanted to show you how you would do that through custom CSS. So we can preview this now, and you'll see that the first name field is black because I've applied a custom CSS style to it. So that's how we apply custom CSS to elements in your form design in Indition Forms. I hope that helps you out.